and Leo met when Leo first got here. They brought out something powerful in each other. Their real selves.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You
constantly surprise me, Riley.
Even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what
I'm not gonna.
I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Now I've got you in my space.
I thought our story was epic, you know? Spanning years and continents, lives ruined, bloodshed, epic.
I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath. Why did you kiss me? Make my heart beat out my chest. I feel we're close enough. Could I
Well, if you don't want me to, I guess then you're just gonna have to stop me.